Hi, my name is Bonnie Lane. I am a kindergarten teacher. I have taught for over 20 years. I've taught preschool, kindergarten, third grade, and fourth grade. I've loved all of it. I am currently working in Hayesville, Kansas. I've been here for 13 years. This is my third year in kindergarten. My technology strengths and weaknesses, I have more weaknesses than I do strengths. I know how to do basic things on the computer. We have a fantastic computer teacher here who helps me out when I need to. I did not know how to use any Google Drive or any of that stuff until I started taking classes at Fort Hays. Not very good even at Blackboard and figuring those things out. Every time I start a new class, I've kind of got to start all over again and figure out what I'm doing and how to do it. And really, what am I looking for in this class? I'm not quite sure what I'm going to learn. I hope that I can learn the different way to use technology within my classroom, that maybe I could get a little bit more comfortable and confident in my abilities with using it. I'm hoping I can learn some correlations between the ways to use technology, the benefits, but also learning the negatives. A lot of screen time for kids, which they already get. I'm a little concerned about that. So I'm hoping to learn a little bit more about the pros and the cons of that. Overall, I am just ready for a different adventure. I'm very scared. I'm not a techie. I have a lot of fears and just kind of scared about being able to do everything that I need to do in this class. So very nice to meet you all. I hope to get to know all of you better, and hopefully I'll be able to have some meaningful conversations that I can grow with and learn. Don't know how much I'm going to be able to help, but I am going to do my best, and I'm excited to see where this takes us. Thank you very much for your time.